Welcome, my friends. We hope you are doing well. In this video, we present to you the best SMMA niches in 2022 to earn serious money. Many social media marketing gurus and cheap agency courses will advise to start with chiros or gyms, but honestly, these are the most competitive and saturated niches, so if you don't want to fail with your agency, then you should find different niches. Trust me, there are much better niches and much better ways to stand out with your agency even in highly saturated niches. One small tip: the niche itself will not guarantee success. You need to create amazing offers and services that will stand out, and this is the key to achieving $5K, $10K, or even $20,000 per month. Before we start, one thing needs to be clear: you need to pick an SMMA niche. You simply cannot try working with everybody. But who should you try working with? Your SMMA business niche in 2022 should meet these requirements. 1. High-ticket services or high lifetime customer value. High lead value, high lifetime customer value makes it easier to justify the cost of your services even if it is $10,000 per month. 2. Your potential agency client is already spending money on advertisement. I am not saying that people that don't pay for marketing currently will not become a client, but if they already spend tons of money with HomeAdvisor, Zillow, or Yelp, then they are more likely to be open to pay someone for higher quality leads from Facebook, YouTube, or Google search ads. 3. You can get easy results for your agency niche. Every niche is different, and you should not be looking just at the niche itself, but also how easy you can get results for this niche. Some clients like construction niches are happy with 2 to 4 clients per month, and you can do this easily with Google Ads or Facebook, but some niches like real estate have a long sales process, so you won't just offer lead generation but also setting up follow-up sequences, and you should also be using ISA. In a real estate niche, I had 20 plus clients, and even if the sales cycle is long, I still love this agency niche because realtors and RE brokers are getting high commissions from sales, so they are willing to pay $2,000 to $5,000/month for my agency services. 4. They can follow up and close your leads. The problem I see with many agencies is that they don't coach their clients on how crucial it is to follow up with their leads. Maybe you heard speed to lead. It is really important to respond to your lead as fast as possible. 15 minutes is the best practice. So you need to provide your niche client a document on how they should handle leads from lead generation, where you should help them with automated follow-ups, SMS, emails, voicemails. This tool is used by many agency owners, is called GHL. Their front desk should also be able to handle the amount of leads you will send to them. Here are some of the high-ticket and less saturated SMMA niches. 1. Construction/remodeling. Custom home builders, fencing contractors, window replacement companies, or kitchen and bath remodelers are offering high-ticket services, and even if you deliver just 2 to 4 paid clients every month, they are willing to pay $2,000 to $5,000 per month for your agency services like local SEO, paid ads, or GML. This agency niche and sub-niches are still underserved, and you as an agency owner can generate results fast with Google Ads or Facebook. 2. E-commerce. Because of the current situation, people are buying online. So many companies switch to online shops or want to build one, and they need someone who can help them. There are literally thousands of e-commerce brands waiting for you. Delivering results for an e-commerce niche is not that easy, so you need to hire a good white labeling agency. E-commerce niche offers hundreds of sub-niches like vegan or toys, so you probably never run out of agency clients. If you are offering TIK/TOK ads, you will crash it with SMMA e-commerce niche in 2022. 3. High-ticket SMMA niche in 2022 legal niche. Lawyers are spending a lot of money of Google Ads already, so it is much easier to convince them to start running Facebook ads or YT ads. Some legal keywords are extremely expensive, so if you can decrease the cost with YT ads or FB, then the lawyers will become your clients fast. Most expensive PPC keywords for lawyers in 2019 were Florida mesothelioma lawyer $485 or Colorado car accident lawyers $287. so now you understand why they need someone to help them. 4. Medical niches. Honestly, there are not just dentists, orthodontists, or chiros. You can go after LASIK surgery clinics, hair transplant clinics, HRT clinics. Hundreds of niches with clients/patient paying lot of money. 5. Real Estate SMMA Niche. This niche is an evergreen niche, right now a bit saturated, but if you have an irresistible offer or providing services that stand out, then you will have a lot of success here. Data from Homelight shows there are over 2 million active real estate agents in the U.S. only. According to data from NAR, 1,359,208 of those licensed agents are realtors. Like I said, the sales cycle is longer, so delivering the results is not as easy as for remodelers, but there are plenty of white labeling companies willing to help you get amazing results for your real estate clients. I hope you benefit from this video and start choosing one of these niches and developing it to gain important resources. In conclusion, I hope that you will subscribe to our channel and like the video and activate the notification bell button to